Hello and welcome to Crescat Search Verdict, the SEO show that takes the stand for law firms. Each week we deliver a clear ruling on what changed in search, what it means for law firms, and what to do next. No jargon, no waffle, just the verdict. Alright, let's get into it. We've got 4 stories to cover today. First up, the EU has finalised rules that will force Google to share anonymised search data with rival search engines and AI chatbots, starting from January 2027. On Android, users will also be able to switch on competing AI assistants by voice and let them take actions across apps from July next year. Now here's the important bit for UK-only firms. This is EU law, and post-Brexit it doesn't automatically apply in the UK. However, don't skip this, because the UK's Competition and Markets Authority is running its own parallel regime here. Under the new digital markets rules, the CMA has already designated Google as having strategic market status in search, and is actively looking at very similar changes. So the takeaway for your firm? The era of Google being an exclusive front door to your website is ending. More rival search tools and AI assistants are going to have access to the same data Google does. If your visibility strategy is 100% Google, now is the time to broaden your search horizons. For our second story, Google's AI overviews, those AI written summaries at the top of results pages, can now generate images powered by Google's latest Nano Banana model. It's rolling out in English over the coming weeks. For most law firms, image generation isn't going to change your day-to-day. You're not selling trainers, you're offering conveyancing or personal injury advice. But here's why it matters. It's another sign that AI overviews are getting richer and stickier, keeping users on Google's results page instead of clicking through to a firm's website. The defense is the same as it's been. Structure your content so Google's AI wants to quote you. Clear answers to real client questions, genuine expertise, and well-organized pages. If the AI summary is going to answer, "Do I need a solicitor for probate?" you want your firm to be the source it cites. Story 3 is the one I'd pay closest attention to this week. Ads now appear in nearly 30% of AI mode queries. That's Google's fully conversational AI search, and the single biggest factor determining whether an ad shows up. For queries with a cost per click of £10 or more, ad presence jumps to over 53%. Think about what that means for legal. Personal injury solicitor, conveyancing quote, divorce lawyer near me. These are some of the highest CPC keywords in the entire market. Legal terms routinely cost a fortune per click, which means law firm ads are exactly the kind of ad Google is now pushing into AI mode. So 2 things. 1, if you run Google ads, expect your ads to start appearing inside these AI conversations. Check your campaign settings and reporting so you understand where spend is going. And 2, with AI mode leaning on high-value commercial terms, expect competition and cost per click on legal keywords to climb. Budget for it, and make sure your landing pages are earning every one of those expensive clicks. Okay, last one. A bit more technical, but stick with me because it needs a 2-minute conversation with whoever manages your website. Google's Notebook LM is rebranding to Gemini Notebook, and as part of that, it's changing its user agent, essentially the ID that Google's AI crawlers use when they visit your site to fetch content. The catch? These fetchers don't obey the usual robot.txt rules that tell crawlers what they can and can't access. So here's your action item. Flag this to your web developer or IT provider. If you don't want Google's AI pulling your content into its tools, they'll need to block this new user agent at the firewall or in your site's configuration. Robots.txt alone won't do it. It's a genuine judgment call though. Blocking it keeps you in control of your content, but being fetched could be how your firm ends up quoted in AI answers. It's worth a proper discussion internally rather than a knee-jerk block or ignore. Okay, that's your search marketing update for this week. 4 stories all filtered through the lens of what actually matters for law firm marketing. As a quick recap, search is fragmenting beyond Google, AI overviews are getting richer, ads are moving into AI conversations on the exact high-value terms law firms compete for, and there's a small crawler change your web team should know about. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next episode. And if there's a topic or strategy you'd like to discuss with our team of specialists, please get in touch via our website booking system. Until next time, I'm Adam Ward. Court adjourned.